On this short video, I'm gonna show you 3 ways to fix Instagram can't add audio problem in your reels. So all what you wanna do, the first way is open the settings, go to the apps manager, open the apps, and now you have to wait a few seconds. And after that, you have to scroll until you find Instagram, click on it, click on force stop, and then go to the data usage. Make sure that all those options are enabled. Go back and click on the internal storage, click on clear data, clear cache. That's the first way. The second way is you have to go back into the settings, go to the wireless and networks, and then enable the airplane mode and wait 10 seconds and then disable it. And the last way is you have to go to the Play Store and search for Instagram and update it. And you can do the same thing if you have iPhone. And after you update it, you have to turn off your phone and turn it on again. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.